Hi, Justin Popovich here. Welcome to toolsformotivation.com. We specialize in building customizable self-help content that you can publish as your own. We have a very special offer running for the next few days that will help you publish your own material about achieving inner peace. A very popular and important topic right now, something that pretty much anybody can benefit from, especially in these kind of ever-changing days where people are a little bit more stressed out than normal. Connecting to a sense of inner peace is a very important message. And what we've done here is we've put together a bunch of content that you can download and customize and publish as your own. And our senior manager here, Nigel Booker, has actually got involved in this particular launch to help us build some extra features for you that I think you're going to find really interesting. So if you've never used PLR content before, stick around. I'm going to give you a demo. And if you've seen our material before, we've got some additional features here that have never been offered that are going to allow you to extend this content and get way more value from it than you normally would. So let me walk you through what's included in this. And then in particular, I'll show you some of the extra features that Nigel has designed for you. So as you scroll down the page here, what you'll find is a full breakdown of the Inner Peace content bundle that we've built for you. In short, it has 10 articles about achieving inner peace. And then we've taken those 10 articles and narrated them into audio segments. This is really good for doing audio-based blog posts or podcasting. And you can click play to hear a preview of the type of content that we produce, the audio quality and all of that. We also have some mini reports that are repurposed from the articles, slide decks, and posters for your social promotions. Here's where things get a little bit interesting and a little bit different if you've been with us here at Tools for Motivation. Nigel has gone ahead and converted the 10 articles into 10 Facebook story templates using the open and free platform called Canva, Canva.com. I'm actually going to give you a demo of it in a second. But if you've ever posted stories on Facebook, you can see the way that you can engage with your audience. You can produce a piece of content that catches attention. And in this case, you'll be able to share 10 different stories or tips for achieving inner peace. So it's a great way of inspiring your audience and doing so in a way that's a little bit different than just publishing an article. So you can take a look at some of those demos in just a second. And in addition to the Facebook story templates, Nigel has also created 10 presentation templates also in the Canva style. So you're not just starting with the articles here that are useful and you can blog with them, but you're also going to have a chance to go into Canva and use these templates that Nigel has already set up for you to make the repurposing of this information super easy and quick. But also, the most important part of using PLR content is to customize it and tailor it to your brand so you can make a completely unique piece of content that nobody else is publishing. So let me actually show you a demo of these two pieces here that I was highlighting for you. Nigel's features of the Facebook story templates and the Canva templates. Let's take a look. So when you purchase this product, you're going to get the normal PLR articles. You'll have the audio and the reports, everything I showed you, and that you'll see on the sales page below. And then you're going to see a PDF that Nigel has added to your download, and it has links back to the Canva website. So let's take a look at the first article here from the Inner Peace content bundle, 5 reasons why you haven't found inner peace yet. If you click this PDF that Nigel's built for you, you'll be brought to a page like this on the Canva website. Now, I should point out you will need a free account with Canva to take advantage of this, but there's no cost, and it'll help you. If you've never used Canva before, this will help you start learning their platform. It's a great way of producing unique content. So you can take Nigel's template here and just simply click Use Template. And if you're not already logged into Canva, you'll have to log in. And then you'll be brought to the Canva interface to begin making your customizations. And this is really key, right? Because you're using PLR content, you want to do some manipulation of this material so that you can publish something unique to your brand. And with Canva, it's very nice. You have a layout that allows you to make quick edits. So for example, it starts with this black background and the green footer here. If you don't like the style, if you don't like the color scheme, you can quickly change it by using Canva. So for example, in the footer here, it's green. I can click on that, come up here, change the color, let's say quickly to orange. And then maybe I want to, let's add some graphics here. So I'm going to reduce the size of this text box. Maybe make it a bit smaller here. I'll probably play around a little bit with the layout. I might want to reduce the font size So let's do that, remove this, and then gives us some space to put in a little graphic here. Let's see if I can quickly find one that looks like it deals with inner peace. I may have to just pull something random. Let's just take this picture of the dog here. Now, you'll have to take a quick look at Canva because some of the photos will be premium and some will be free. So just keep an eye on that. But my point here is to just show you how quickly it is to customize this. And then I would just go ahead and do this all the way through. So again, Nigel's taken the article from the PLR pack and put it into these slide deck formats. Now you can go through each one and make whatever customizations you want. So for example, if I'm using this for branding, I might want to click the text tab here and add a heading right into the footer or into this bottom section where I put the branding for my company. So in my case, I'll put tools for motivation. Canva lets you quickly make edits like changing the font color and size. I might want to reduce the size down here to, let's say, 72. And the tools are great here because you can see how quickly that you're centering it using these lines and design tools. So even if you're brand new to building content, using the Canva platform will just help you put something together that looks really nice in just a matter of seconds. And because Nigel's already done all the hard work here for you by merging the PLR into Canva, you'll now have this at your fingertips and ready to go. You could easily do this yourself, or you could have somebody on your team go through each and every one of the templates that Nigel has built and just customize them to your branding, your color schemes, or just do any kind of customizations to make it unique. Now, the same thing would go here for the Facebook story templates. So this is the same piece of PLR that Nigel has taken, 5 reasons why you haven't found inner peace yet, but he's now merged them into Canva using the templates for Facebook stories. So you can see here, it brings you to this, when you click the PDF link, brings you to this page, and then you can say, let me use this template within Canva. It'll again log you back into your Canva account, and then you can start making any edits that you like. So again, if you want to change the color scheme, I can go ahead and do that right now using Nigel's template. And then when I'm done, let's change this color here to white. When I'm done, I can publish it as my own. There's a publish button up here at the top, and then I can go ahead and upload that into Facebook. You don't have to though, by the way. You can use it exactly as Nigel has designed. This is what your Facebook story would look like. People would simply click through. Each one of these would be an element in the story. So if you're not familiar with Facebook stories, just log into your Facebook account right now, and I'm sure some of your followers, or the people that you're following, I should say, have a story posted and you can see the way it works. These are 10 pre-built stories ready to go and import into your Facebook account, but we've also integrated them with Canva, so if you do want to make some changes, you can. So let's say, for example, you don't want this text here, go ahead and remove that, add in your own element. Maybe you want to put a little cool graphic here. Let's put a picture of a flower. I'll have to reduce the size of that a little bit. And again, you can play around with your settings here, but very, very quickly you have this unique piece of content, and it will help you get familiar with the Canva interface, which is one of the secret tools for people that want to publish good quality content. Okay, so just to kind of bring everything back into perspective here, when you purchase this particular PLR offer, you're going to have the inner peace bundle, which will have the graphics that you see on the sales page like so. You will have the 10 articles that you can use as blog posts, you can use them as articles, you can share these out as reports, whatever. You can see the titles on the sales page below. Then, of course, you have the audio versions of those. You have the mini report versions of the articles. You have posters that you can share on your social, and then you'll have this folder down here with your Canva templates that Nigel has built for you. So there's a whole ton of features packed into this one little offer. You'll be able to publish at the end of the day here 50, 60 pieces of quality content all around the concept of inner peace, one of the best topics you could be sharing right now, very, very quickly at your fingertips, ready to go. So if you have any questions, there's a contact link at the top and bottom of this page. Just reach out. We're happy to answer them. And if you like what you see, grab the offer now while it's running for the next few days, and you can get a great price on all of this content regarding inner peace. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the inside.